welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, 1st of August. Let's look at dollar yen, and dollar yen continues to fall away, although it has sort of had a mild rebound in the last few minutes. Necessarily whether this is the start of a rally, I don't think so yet. Nothing yet really showing that that is going to be the case. Market continued to fall yesterday. Another bear candle. I talked in the morning report about the fact that we were probably due a bit of a near-term bounce. Considering throughout this sort of selling phase, we've tended to see these sort of periodically very slight positive candles where you get these intraday bounces and then they get sold into. And I think that that is likely to be the case today. You might see a bit of a bounce that ultimately just again finds overhead resistance and gets sold into. That sort of support that old support of 1060 starts to come back in as resistance. You can see yesterday's high was 1080, really 1077, which was again an old pivot. That you can actually date quite a long way back actually. So 1080 coming back in. You have just in the last sort of hour or so with this little rebound you've now broken that little downtrend. So the near-term outlook, very near-term I should say, has improved a touch. Momentum indicators just unwinding a little bit, but again overhead supply around that 1080 level, 1080 to 1130 I think. That's an ideal selling opportunity, isn't it, if you get it? And I think that will sort of give you that opportunity to retest what looks like it's going to be further pressure to the downside. Yes, 110 figure has basically held today, but again, I don't necessarily see this being the beginning of a recovery. I think it's going to be the continuation of the move back towards these June lows. The 50% fib level comes in at 109.35, that June low 108.80. So wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thanks.